Hi guys! My name is Claire Almazan
And I'm Shaira Ruba.
and we are from the marketing office.
Today we're gonna ask students what's their favorite spot here in Enya Nazareth and why.
Let's go!
Elmerson, STEM 2407.
Andre Deniega,
From?
Humes 2403.
Ronnie 1, live in Senior High School 2502. Lois Sebastian M. Lalongese from Tan Charity.
Raul Rafael Posada, STEM 2401.
Alexa po. 8 trustworthy po.
Anton Andre Umali, 7 Compassion.
Ashton de Guzman po. Patay Yumi.
Mika. 12 Yums 2401.
Jager Val.
From?
Humes 2401.
Neo Manzano, 12 STEM 2401.
Jovin,
From?
12 STEM 2401.
My favorite place here in Enya Nazareth is yung canteen dito sa ground kasi bukod sa dito ako kumukuha ng food, dito rin ako nakakita ng mga pogi.
Sa room kasi maaliwalas, mahangin, malamig, at puno ng pangarap.
Thank you!
Probably sa classroom po. Just get to be with my friends, my teammates, and always have a good time. My favorite spot here in school is the gym because that's where I can practice my sport. That's where I can vent out all of my feelings to feel free lang.
Siguro tong grounds, especially sa mga upuan. Kasi dito kami nakapag-usap ng mga friends ko while also at the same time nakakabili kami ng foods and such and nakakapag-band kami. And na-enjoy din namin yung fresh air dito sa grounds.
Sa mezzanine po kasi may aircon.
The mezzanine in the basketball area.
Mezzanine po. Kasi pwede ka po magpahinga pag pag wala pong ginagawa, vacant mo po.
Personally, I'd say the St. Candida Hall po or our auditorium. As a Nazalian for almost 13 years now, I believe po na our auditorium or what's named St. Candida Hall is one of the most important parts of our school. Since dun po nakalagay kung saan talaga yung saan nanggaling yung Nazareth. Since St. Candida nga siya, of course, we're guided by our patron saint. Dun nakikita yung mga talents, yung mga activities na pinaprovide sa atin ng ating mga Nazalians.
Of course, the chapel because as we all know, NU Nazareth is the only Catholic school in the whole NU Philippines. So, the chapel is really proving our identity as Catholic school or Catholic students rather.
Yung CR sa grounds kasi dun kami lagi nag-aabang pag-uwian.
Dito lang sa may LG kasi dito kami nagbabati ng mga tropa ko. Tapos, presko.
Thank you!
Thank you.
Thank you! Thank you!
Thank you.
Thank you!
Thank you.